there. 13 years, 13 years.
Well proud.
I'm gonna see you in a second. I watch the way you comb your hair. Yes, I like the stylish clothes you wear. Bumblebee in the back, make some noise for Bumblebee. That makes me wanna get with you. What's your blues like, Bumblebee? What's your blues like? No blues, just. Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Come on. Hey, ho, hey, ho. All right, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the rest of your boys? 6. Yeah? I want to take it. You're really loud, all of you. You have to put your camcorder down, you know. Yeah, I'm not trying to bait you out with camcorder and all that, but you know what I'm saying? You don't have to put it, because if you, all 6 of you give me enough vibes. National, yeah? So what do you do in between all that traveling? You want to see it?
See it, Joe.
You come to see me? Nah, you couldn't have come to see me. You must have come to
Go for it, go for it.
We got a really fly crew and cast, man. Like we all, we all try to top each other when it comes to dressing.
Nice. Now, Steven, this is a very different. Guys, welcome back to the top of the red carpet. I'm joined by the boy himself, fresh out of Brooklyn, Anthony Ramos. Talk to me. How does it feel to be here in London celebrating the outfit off and every premiere? I think you're winning. Don't tell that, but I think you're winning.
Wow. Steven said we have an outfit off?
Yeah, you have an outfit off.
I didn't know